In this video, we're going to show you how you can start to use one of our tools when you begin using the PIM and you want to get all of your categories, your initial category trees ready and set up in the PIM so they could appear however many levels you want, such as here you can see, and then there's cellular 4G external. We're going down to 4 levels in this instance. So processes is decide on how and where you want to use categories. Check this score process for some ideas. Basically, then so you can obviously use them to enhance your category structures. Then this is the section we're going to concentrate on now: creating your initial category trees ready to set up in the PIM. I'll show you, I've got videos that show you how to import them and then how to allocate them, and also if you want to build one manually or change things, these types of processes. So we're just going to concentrate on the initial build, and we're going to use one of our category builder tools here that makes it easy for you to do this. So the first thing is to create your import file. So I've actually created one here. So just put all of your levels, you can have as many levels as you want. So your parent level, your subcategory, your sub-subcategory, level 4, level 5. So we want a tree that's going to build, this type of structure. This is for your benefit, the output file that's going to be generated from this that we're going to import. So the first thing is to build the tree with all of your structures. The next thing that we're going to do is we're just basically going to the PIM tools here. So as part of this, you should just download and upload these. Our development team will give you them, and we're going to be using the tool sets that we've got here. So as we just load this up, we're loading this tool up, and basically we're just coming down to the category builder it's used to import that. So we just want to open this file here, which should be in my tool set. So we'll just we'll upload the file. So I've just uploaded the file, and it's just building an output file here, which you can see. So we're just going to just save this down. So from that import file, it's built the output file automatically for you. You can see it's built all of the relevant levels. So it's starting to build the tree and all the things that the AP PIM needs to import. So the next part is we're just going to import this file so you can see how it works. So having built this file from your structure, I'm now just going to go into the PIM, upload it, and import it. So I'm going to go into the PIM. I'm going to just go to the category list. I'm going to use the import button, browse to the spreadsheet, which should be here. Upload the file. So categories initial import. We want to create new records because the tree doesn't exist. We'll go next. We've already got, you can see that it's actually match the columns, but what we want to do is just use the master import map that we've got here. This has mapped it to external ref1 because this is going to be one of our unique identifiers when we start to upload things in the future. We just want to submit this, and shortly we've created 22 records. In that, if we go back to our categories, we can see that we've got our category A and our category B. We've got our levels generated here. ready to be used within the PIM. And equally for our demo tests here, we created 2 parent levels. So this is how you could get using a tool your initial imports into the PIM.